Hi everyone, I am Siddharth from Grade 4 MB. First of all, hearty greetings to all of you on our Republic Day. Republic Day is an important national festival for us and for our country. This festival is celebrated with great pride. We got independence on 15th August 1947. After Indian independence, it was essential that the country has a constitution which lays down the framework to have structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions and also set out the fundamental rights and duties of citizens. A constituent assembly was formed which took more than 2 years to draft the world's longest written national constitution. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, chairman on the drafting committee, is honored as the father of the Constitution of India. The Constitution became effective on 26th January 1950 and is celebrated every year as Republic Day in India. The Constitution declares India as a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic, assuring its citizens justice, equality, and liberty. Constitution acts as the pillar on which rests India's democracy. Thank you.